Here is a video on how to set up your PowerTeacher Pro gradebook using categories. The first thing you're going to want to do after getting into the gradebook is come up to the top and select the class that you'd like to start with. So we're just going to start with the top one here, the very first class, and go ahead and click on that. And then over on the left-hand side, click on Grading. And then there you're going to click on categories, because the first thing we're going to need to do is add some categories here. In the upper right hand corner, you will see a circle with a plus. Click on that and then click on category. This is where we're going to add the 4 categories that you will use in your gradebook. So the first one is daily lesson, and we will add the percentages and the category weighting at a later time. Once you're done typing in daily lessons, you can change the color if you wish, and then click Save in the bottom right. Go ahead and repeat this process for the remaining 3 categories: unit tests, midterm exam, and final exam. Once you have all of your categories set up, you're going to navigate over to the left-hand side and click on Settings. Then click on Traditional Grade Calculations. You can see here at the top that it says for semester 1, total points, and we need to change that. So if we come over here to the right and click on the pencil under Actions, and then the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come to this circle with the plus on the right-hand side next to percent, and I'm going to add, click 3 more times. So we're going to have 4 categories that we set up. So I'm just going to click in 4 additional ones so we're ready to go. So the very top one says total points. We need to change that one to category weighting. And then we're going to select our first category, which is daily lessons. And our daily lessons in the weight, that's going to be 20%. And then come down to the next one and change that to category weighting also. And then unit tests. And unit tests are worth 25%. Go to the third one, looks like it's already on category weighting. We're going to select midterm exam, and that's worth 25%. And then lastly, again, it's on category weighting already, and we're going to select, scroll down here, final exam, and that is worth 30%. So the thing you want to look at here is just make sure that all of these percentages add up to 100%, and it does. So we're going to click Save. You will see now that for semester 1, it says category weighting. If I would come down here to another class, you can see that it still says for semester 1 total points. So I'll show you a quick way to copy what we just did to all your other courses. So to copy to another course, we're going to come up here to the gear up top, click on that, and then click on Copy Traditional Grade Calculations. Okay, so at the top, we're going to copy to another class. So we've done all of our work in the English 10 class. So click that, and then it says, what semester do you want to copy from? Yes, first semester. What class do you want to copy from? So I'm going to click that and select that English 10 class where we made all of our changes to our categories. So I select that. The next thing that pops up is, where do you want to copy this to? First, we have to select the term. We want to do semester 1. And then what classes do we want to copy this to? Click the drop-down arrow and notice how you can go down and click each class individually. But if you just click on Select All, and then if there are any courses that you don't want to copy these to, just unselect them. So as I scroll through here, most of these look like classes that I need to copy these settings to. But maybe down here at the bottom, it looks like I have advisory. You would just uncheck that. And then at the bottom, it says validate. So you click on validate, and it will copy all of those to another class. It will give you a summary of what it's done for you, and If you feel good about that, just go ahead and click copy. Once that is done copying over, you'll want to just go back in and check some of your classes to make sure that everything has changed. So as you can see down here, English 11, yep, semester 1 is category weighting. All of those say category 1 for semester 1, and that's what we're dealing with right now. So you should be good to go with putting in grades in your gradebook. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out.